Goodman's ComfortBridge system uses wireless communication to connect your HVAC components. However, setup errors like the E4 error, which is a setup error, or the E1 error, which is a communication error, are common, especially in DIY installations. These errors often stem from outdated mobile apps, mismatched firmware versions, weak Wi-Fi signals, or improper component alignment. To troubleshoot, first ensure all units are powered on and within 30 feet of each other during pairing. Reset your thermostat by holding the reset button for 10 seconds. Verify you have a strong 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal greater than -50 dBm. Make sure you are running the latest version of the Goodman app, currently 4.1.5 as of March 2026. If issues persist, outdated apps or firmware incompatibility are likely the cause, so ensure all devices are up to date and compatible. For persistent issues, consider these advanced troubleshooting steps. Temporarily disable other smart home integrations, like Nest, that might conflict with the ComfortBridge setup. If you still encounter errors, Goodman's professional installation service uses signal boosters to ensure reliable communication, especially in larger homes or commercial buildings. Goodman plans to integrate AI-driven diagnostics for predictive maintenance by 2028, aiming to reduce setup issues significantly. Future trends involve increased adoption of 5G-enabled HVAC for faster pairing and enhanced cybersecurity protocols to address IoT vulnerabilities. Stay updated with the latest app versions and firmware to leverage these improvements and minimize setup headaches. Remember, proper wiring checks are essential, and consulting with a certified HVAC technician can prevent 80% of setup errors.